This is Suzuki Wagon style model, right? You can see the bonnet stickers, because that is the mark we can identify this car, and the mirrors also having the gold color. The alloy wheel, you can see 14 inches alloy wheel, and all are in the good condition, and it has the 2 remote keys, right? So when you see the inside of the vehicle, this is how the vehicle and driver side, then passenger side. And the rear side of the vehicle. This is actually totally maintained by company, AMW. When you see the mileage of the vehicle, yeah, this is the mileage, 70,602. When we go into the bonnet engine compartment, you can see in here 660cc engine capacity, and all are maintained by AMW. Thank you for watching the video.